Are you a B2B company ready to supercharge your growth? Introducing Ava, the sales rep artisan. Ava is the world's first AI employee, and she's an SDR. You onboard Ava with a 10-minute conversation. She scans your website and builds her internal knowledge base for your company. She crafts your target customer persona and gathers the contact information for thousands of leads. She sends each lead hyper-personalized emails on your behalf and responds to their questions using her self-maintained knowledge base, with the primary objective of filling your calendar with sales meetings. Artisan has built-in email warm-up, continuous self-optimization and improvement, world-class analytics, and CRM integrations. Ava can use all of the tools across the Artisan platform, and you can manage Ava entirely via Slack. What are you waiting for? Ava fills the role of a team of appointment setters. 10x your pipeline today at artisan.co.